Good morning, children. Today we are going to study a new topic of writing skill, that is interview questions. So let's start, children. So today our topic of writing skill which we are going to study is questionnaire for interview, means how to prepare a questionnaire for an interview. So children, first I will tell you what are interview questions. An interview is a purposeful interpersonal communication between two individuals where questions are asked to elicit information. Elicit means to obtain about the work, issue, activity that the other person is involved in. You have to frame the questions in such a way that the relevant information is obtained easily. Now, I will tell you the salient features of interview questions which you have to keep in mind when you are preparing an interview questions. The first is there are two kinds of questions which may be asked during interviews. The first one is open ended questions. Say, for example, how did you think of becoming a mountaineer? Or from where did you collect material for your first story? Here, the interviewee is expected to give a detailed answer. Now, the second type is direct questions. Say, for example, how old were you when you directed your first film? Or how many people work in your company? Here, the interviewee is expected to give specific and brief information. The second salient feature which you have to keep in mind is the questions asked should cover various aspects of the work, issue, activity that you wish to gain information about. Now, the third salient feature is use a variety of question words like who, what, when, how, why, where, which, whom, etc. to frame your questions. Fourth point which you have to keep in mind is use a question mark at the end of each question. Fifth point, do not ask questions that elicit merely a yes or no in reply. The questions should seek more information. So now children will stop here and will discuss the remaining salient features in the next video. Thank you. Let's come back to the topic of interview questions. Children, in the previous video, we were discussing the salient features of interview questions and we were on sixth point. So let's start. Sixth point is ask short and polite questions. Be clear and concise. Seventh point is in the exam, you have to frame only 10 questions. No answers by the person interviewed are required. Eighth point is you may begin with a statement welcoming the person you are going to interview. You can end with the phrase one last question. So now children, let's see the format of interview writing. The format includes the first part with introduction. So the first part will be your introduction. In introduction, you have to give an introduction before you start to frame the questionnaire. Introduce the person to be interviewed and describe the place of interview. Next part will be your questions. In this, you have to frame about 8 to 10 questions to ask the individual. And the last part will be your conclusion. This should consist of a token of thanks extended to the person who is interviewed. It should wish the person for their future endeavors. Now, let's see the solved example. The question is your school is set to celebrate Internet Day with a panel discussion and has invited Sundar Rao as a speaker. Prepare a set of 8 to 10 questions to interview him before the panel discussion commences. Now, the answer you have to write in this way. The first part will be your introduction, in which you will write Good evening to you, sir. On the occasion of Internet Day, I, Ria Pandey, am honored to welcome you. On behalf of the organization committee, I would like to ask you a few questions. So, after that, you will write the questions as I have shown you on the screen. Give the heading questions, and below that, you will start writing your questions one by one. The first question is, what motivated you to the field of technology? So now children will stop here and will proceed further with the remaining questions in the next video. Thank you. So let's continue the topic of interview questions. Children, in the previous video, we were discussing the solved examples question and we were on question number 2. So let's start. Question number 2 is, you have your roots in India. Can you tell us a little about your childhood days? Third question you can frame is, what efforts did you have to take to become the CEO of Google? Fourth question will be, what major challenges have you faced in your line of work? Fifth question is, what do you consider to be key of your success? Next, question number 6. Is work your only passion or do you pursue any hobbies? Seventh question is, what is the significance of Internet Day for you? Eighth question is, how would the new products offered by Google benefit the general public? And the ninth question is, what would you be interested to work on in the coming years? And the last, 10th question is, what is your message to mineral techno savvy students of our school? Children, in the last, you have to write the conclusion as I've shown you on the screen. Thank you very much, sir. You have indeed made India proud on the global platform. You are an inspiration to us and we thank you for sharing your time with us. So now children, we have completed the topic of interview questions. So now we'll stop here and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.